Welcome to the Copper Club at Metalworks. This area offers a chic vibe where luxury meets urban excitement. Located right along the Speed River, this suite offers a spacious layout, sleek kitchen, stylish living area, including a private balcony. Natural light fills the space through large windows, complemented by airy 9-foot ceilings. Yes, this suite comes with parking, but you'll be too busy walking around our vibrant downtown scene, which offers dining, shopping, and an array of small businesses for you to discover. Just steps away from the River Run Center, Sleeman Center, Guelph train and transit system, and a short walk to our world-renowned University of Guelph, this location seamlessly connects you to the pulse of the city. Explore Guelph's charm through walking trails and riverside paths, all while enjoying the ultimate in modern amenities here at the Copper Club. Are you ready to embrace the lifestyle? Your urban oasis awaits.